The Ulti spiral door from Ulti Group is fast, safe and simple. It's fast, with an opening speed of up to 1.5 meters per second, depending on size. It's safe, using a 2.5 meter high light curtain as the standard presence detection. And it's simple and low maintenance by using a counterweight instead of springs and using a routed groove instead of complex metal tracks. The Ulti spiral door is a multi-use solution for a variety of commercial and industrial applications. The Ulti spiral door can be customized for most headroom clearances with standard headroom and low headroom track variations. This allows you to customize the solution to your business needs. The Ulti spiral door comes in 3 different panel variations: solid with insulation, ventilated to allow airflow, and clear vision panels. The solid insulated panel fits most settings, while the ventilated option is commonly installed in applications such as parking areas that need both security and good ventilation. The clear panels are used for vision panels on the solid insulated doors, or as the primary panels in applications like car dealership showrooms. Adding vision panels is a great way to maximize security while still providing customers or employees a way to easily see past the door, making it more attractive in customer-facing applications. The Ulti spiral door is a unique, safe, low-maintenance, high-performance solution for a wide range of customers and applications, inside or outside any facility.